Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are in good health. Students, in the last class in exercise 8C, you learnt how can you find profit or loss, profit percent or loss percent. Today I will start the next exercise, exercise 8D, in which you will learn about simple interest, principal, amount. What is principal? What is simple interest? What is amount? How can we calculate simple interest? Okay, let us start. So see here, simple interest. In real life, we might come across instances when we need to calculate interest. Interest may be earned on bank deposit. Bank deposits, money which we deposit in bank. Interest may be paid on bank loans. Bank loans, when we take a loan from the bank, from a bank, and for that loan we pay interest. The sum of money deposited or loan borrowed means udhar lena is known as principal. The money which we deposit in a bank or we borrow from the bank or from any person. It is not compulsory that we borrow money from the bank. We can take money from some other person also. So the money which we borrow or we lend out, जो मनी हम उधार देते हैं या उधार लेते हैं, that is known as the principal. The extra amount of money charged on the loan borrowed or earned to the deposited money is known as the interest. Students, when we borrow money from other person, nobody give us money free. He charged some extra money from us. Suppose we or you take rupees 2000 from some person for 2 months or 2 years or 1 month or 6 months. Then when you will return that borrowed money, you have to pay some extra money also. Suppose you are returning him 2300 rupees instead of 2000 which you borrowed. How much money you borrowed? You borrowed 2000 rupees and you are returning 2300 rupees. Then that extra 300 rupees is known as the interest. The sum of the principal and the interest. If we add, sum means here addition. If we add the principal and the interest, जो मनी हमने उधार लिया था वो, और इफ वी ऐड, अगर हम उसमें इंटरेस्ट भी ऐड कर दें, जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी हम उसको पे कर रहे हैं, देन इट्स सम इज नोन एज अमाउंट. मीन्स अमाउंट इज इक्वल प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज द इंटरेस्ट अर्नड और चार्ज्ड ऑन एवरी 100 rupees for 1 year. This is also known as the rate percent per annum. That is, per annum means for each year. Students, suppose a person borrowed 1000 rupees from other person for 1 year and rate of interest is 5%. It means that person will give 5 rupees extra for 100 rupees. Then rate of interest is 5% per annum. Clear? Money which is extra money which is given for 100 rupees. Percent means 100. So money, extra money which is given for 100 rupees for 1 year, that is known as rate of interest per annum. So if time is 1 year, then interest is principal into rate of interest upon 100. If time is 1 year, then only then But see here, when the interest is calculated on the same principal at the same rate of interest throughout a given period of time. Throughout a given period of time means if time is more than 1 year, then it is called simple interest. Then how we find the interest? Simple interest is equal principal into time into rate of interest upon 100. This is the formula which we will use to calculate simple interest. Simple interest in short it is written as SI, principal is written in short P, time is written as capital T, not small t. Rate of interest is capital R upon 100. And if we have to find percentage of interest, then interest in rupees, what is the amount of interest? Then loan or deposit amount, whatever money we have borrowed or given as a loan, into 100. Clear? So we will use these formulas. Beside this, students, there are 6 formulas which we will use in this exercise. I will give you the pick of that formulas. You will write all those formulas in your notebook before starting this exercise in the notebook. Clear? I will send the pic of those formulas in WhatsApp group. Okay? So let us start the exercise. Come to the exercise. Exercise 8D. Complete the following table. Here a table is given in which there are 5 sums A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 columns in which principal, time, rate, interest and amount is given. In each and every question, some column is missing. As see in first part, interest and amount is missing. So we will find interest and amount by using these 3 given terms. Okay? So let us start. In first question, what is given? Principal is 10,000. Time is 2 years. Rate is 5%. We have to find interest and amount. See here. Principal P is given 10,000 rupees. Time is 2 years. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Simple interest. What is the formula to calculate simple interest? It is P into R into T upon 100. Value of P is 10,000 into R is 5% per annum into time. Time is 2 years upon 100. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. Then 100 into 5 into 2. It is 5 to the 10. 100 multiply. This 10 is equal 1,000 rupees. So what is the interest for this 10,000 rupees? It is 1,000 rupees. We have to find amount also because column of amount is also blank. Amount is equal principal plus simple interest. 10,000 principal plus simple interest is 1,000. When we add 10,000 plus 1,000, it is 11,000. Clear? So, no need to make this table. No need to make this table. You will do like this. A part, B part, C part. So, interest is 1,000 rupees and amount is 11,000 rupees. Come to question B or B part. In B part, principal is given 8,500 rupees. Rate is 10%. Amount is 9,350. Here, time and interest is missing. So, see here. Principal is 8,500 rupees. Rate is 10% per annum. Amount is 9,350. Student, always remember, if principal and amount both are given and interest is not given, then first we will find interest by subtracting principal from the amount. As you know, here we have used A is equal P plus SI. A is equal P plus SI. If we take this P to this side, it will become A minus P is equal simple interest. So, simple interest is equal A minus P. A is amount 9,350 minus principal is 8,500. Then we get 850 rupees. Simple interest is 850 rupees. This is this column interest. Now we have to find time. Formula for time is equal from this formula. All the formulas are formed from this formula. Now we have to find time. Time is equal simple interest multiply 100 upon P into R. So time is equal simple interest into 100 upon R into P. Time is equal simple interest is 850 into 100 upon R. Rate of interest is equal 10% into P is equal 8500. See here 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 85 1 ja 85, 85 1 ja 85. So time is equal 1 year. Clear? Come to next part C. In C part, see here. Time is given 6 years. Rate is given 15%. Interest is 490.5. 0.5 means 50 paise, 50. So C part. Time is equal 6 years. Rate is 15% per annum. Simple interest is equal 490.5. We have to find two missing column, that is principal and amount. First we will find principal. Formula for principal is equal simple interest into 100 upon R into T. Simple interest is equal 490.5 into 100 upon rate of interest 15% into time is 6 year. So 490.5 into 100 upon 15 into 6. Remove decimal from here. After decimal there is one digit, so add 1 0. Now simplify all this. 0 cancel. 5 2 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. 1 remainder 19. 3 6 ja 18. 1 remainder 0. 3 3 ja 9. 1 remainder 15. 3 5 ja 15. Now 1635 into 2 upon 6. 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6. 3 1 ja 3. 3 5 ja 15. 1 remainder 13. 3 4 ja 12. 1 remainder 15. 3 5 ja 15. So 545 1 ja 545. This is the principal. See here. This is the principal. Now amount is equal principal plus simple interest. Principal 545 plus simple interest 490.5 which is given. We will add it like this. 545.00 490.50 0 5 5 9 and 4 13 carry 1 1 and 5 6 and 4 10. So what is the amount? Amount is equal rupees 1035.50. Clear? Some students add like this 490.50 then 545. It is wrong. I think it will be clear to you. Now come to D part. In D part, see, principal is given 2,30,000. Time is 10 years. Rate is missing. Interest is 2,87,500 rupees. This is the interest. And when we add this principal and interest, we find amount, that is 5,17,500. So I have written here principal, time, interest and amount. Students, in B part, I told you when amount and principal both are given and interest is not given, first we will find simple interest by subtracting principal from the amount. So amount is 5,17,500 minus principal is 2,30,000. We get 2,87,500. This is the interest, or we say, see here, interest is given. Students, interest is given here. So no need to do this. We will start from here. Rate is equal simple interest into 100 upon P into T. Rate. Simple interest is given 2,87,500. Multiply 100 upon principal is given 2,30,000 into time is 10 years. 0 0 cancel. 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 Now it is 2875 upon 230. First we will solve it. 5 4 ja 20, 3 remainder, 5 6 ja 30. 5 5 ja 25, 3 remainder, 37, 5 7 ja 35. Again 2 remainder, 25, 5 5 ja 25. Then it is 575 upon 2. This will be divisible. This can be simplified only by 23. 23 1 ja 23, 23 2 ja 46. Again we will read table of 23 here. Again here 23 2 ja 46. Then 11 remainder. With 5 it will become 115. 23 5 ja 115. So it is 25 upon 2. When we divide this 25 by 2 here, it is 12.5% per annum. Clear? Here only you have to learn the formulas. Formulas should be correct. Then you put the value of the term. Then you can simplify it. These sums are not complicated. Simple sums, only you have to learn the formula. So please students, learn these formulas properly. Now last part of first question. E part. In E part, see, time is given 3 years, rate is 2%, interest is 60 rupees. Principal and amount are missing. See here, I have written here time 3 years, rate of interest 2% per annum, interest is 60 rupees. Principal is equal simple interest into 100 upon R into T. Simple interest is 60 rupees into 100 upon R is 2%, time is 3 years. Now simplify it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 0, 3 1 ja 3, 3 10 ja 30. 10 into 100, 1000 rupees. Now amount is equal principal plus simple interest. Amount principal is 1000 rupees, which we have found out, and simple interest is given 60 rupees. It is 1060 rupees. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Shilpa takes a loan of rupees 3 lakh. Takes a loan means शिल्पा ने उधार लिए हैं रुपए. Shilpa takes a loan of rupees 3 lakh at the rate of 15% for 1 year. So this is the principal, this is the rate of interest, this is the time. Calculate the simple interest. Principal is equal 3 lakh rupees, rate is 15% per annum, time is 1 year. Now we will write the formula. Simple interest is equal P into R into T upon 100. P is 3 lakh, rate is 15, time is 1 year upon 100, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Now this is 3000 into 15 1 ja 15. 15 3 ja 45 with these 3 zeros. So interest is 45,000. Clear? I think all the sums should be clear to all of you. There should be no difficulty. But still, if you have any difficulty, you can ask from me by sending a message. Okay? Students, see. Here are all the formulas. See. These are the formulas. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write all these 6 formulas before starting this exercise first. Then you will start to solve these first and second question. Clear? Today we will do up to question number 2. Remaining sums we will do in next exercise. Next class. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.